Nice and lovely. So this is going to be a very unique and simple, healthy smoothie. Look at this. You got cucumber, which we're going to put inside of it. Please use table knife to do your avocado. Alright guys, I'm gonna just simple scrape out this. That is lovely and nice. So basically I have some curly cake, which I'm going to put inside of it for just a little bit of chunky in it. Nice one. Then we're going to put a little bit of water, roughly about a cup of water. And roughly about half teaspoon of organic honey. So we're just gonna be blending up this here to get that perfect drink what we're looking for. Lovely and nice. So look at this. That look fantastic. Look at that. Lovely. That is amazing. Now it's time to pour them out. Look at that. Beautiful smoothie. And that's gonna be your favorite, guys. Alright? Nice and lovely. So that's avocado. We got avocado honey and cucumber and some curly cake. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this. Bye bye.